Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is 16th of January 2026, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can legally and affordably access premium SEO tools like Ahrefs and Semrush using Groupbuy SEO tools. If you're a blogger, affiliate marketer, YouTuber, or SEO beginner who can't afford expensive monthly plans, this video is going to save you a lot of money. Let's get started. So, the platform we're using today is SupremeSEO, a popular Groupbuy SEO tools website. They provide access to multiple premium SEO tools at a very low cost compared to official pricing. First step is simple. Open SupremeSEO.com and register an account. On the registration page, just enter your name, email address, and password, then click on the register button. It only takes a few seconds. After registering, you'll receive a verification email. Make sure to check your inbox or spam folder for the verification message. Open the email and simply click on Verify Email Address. Once verified, your account will be fully activated. After verification, log into your account. This is the SupremeSEO dashboard, where you can manage purchases and access tools. As you can see, they offer all kinds of Groupbuy SEO tools, including Ahrefs, Semrush, Moz, Grammarly, Canva, and many more. You can choose tools based on your SEO or content needs. For this video, I'll be purchasing Semrush today, one of the most powerful SEO tools for keyword research, competitor analysis, and site audits. Click on Semrush and then proceed to checkout. The pricing here is much cheaper compared to the official Semrush subscription. I'm paying via PayPal, but you also have multiple options like Stripe, credit card, UPI, and Paytm, so payments are flexible and beginner-friendly. Once the payment is successful, you'll see your tool listed under the Active Subscriptions tab. Now simply click on Site Explorer, and you'll be able to access Semrush instantly and start using it for your SEO work. So that's how you can use Groupbuy SEO tools for Ahrefs and Semrush in 2026 at a fraction of the original cost. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you in the next one.